Oh my God. This woman followed a child with her car.
To talk to him and tell him, I would have spoken. Even I got out of the car and I was like, I even said to him, will you talk to me?
While this girl repeatedly harassed a homeowner.
Fuck my window. This is the third time she did that, man. I'm not serving shit.
Money can buy luxury, but it can't buy immunity from the law. So today we're gonna see when rich and entitled Karen gets 6 charges after a temper tantrum. Starting with this wealthy woman who thought her status could stop the handcuffs.
Like, I just worked 23 hours. I work at Lower Keys Medical Center.
Okay.
I'm sitting there.
On July 5th, 2026, officers were dispatched to a Tesla charging station after security reported that a woman was sleeping in her vehicle and refused to leave when asked. But the second he approached her, it was clear this wasn't going to be simple.
Okay.
I saw you pull. I thought you were just a car at first.
Okay.
I'm pulling away. No, he's just sitting there staring at me. He comes up to my car. I'm charging. He comes up. He puts his hand on my car, and I go, "Excuse me." And sorry, I know you just got here. I'm pissed off.
Okay.
I fell asleep. I just worked 23 hours. I work at Lower Keys Medical Center.
Okay.
I'm sitting there. I'm charging my car. He comes up. He puts his hand on my car, and I go, "Can I help you?" And he's like, "I'm security. You need to get the out of here." I'm like, chill, relax. You could just ask me to leave. No problem. He's like, "I got a video of you. You're not looking so good." I said, you can take a video of me all day. I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Okay. So you just worked the whole shift at the ER?
I literally worked 23 hours. I
Okay.
worked from 6:30 in the morning yesterday morning, and I got off at 5 o'clock this morning.
Okay.
So 22 and a half.
So are you staying here or why are you here?
No, I plugged in my car. I'm waiting to go. It's a Tesla destinational charger.
Okay.
They're public.
Okay.
So unless they're trust me, I've done my research. Unless there's a lock, they can pin it. They can put a pin on it. Unless they put a pin on it and you have to make an account, put your reservation number in, whatever. They're all public chargers.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know about that, but the parking lot belongs to them. So if they don't want you here,
And it is what it is. I'll go, but he came up and I'm like, leave me alone. You got a video? I'll be honest, I was rude. You want to go to a video? Go. Because he was being nasty immediately.
Okay.
Is it okay if I get out of this guy? It's alright.
Yeah, he can make
I
it.
feel bad.
It's alright. Or they can go
he
around.
came up and he was super aggressive, and I was like, if you want me, just go. I'll just go.
Okay.
Don't just come super aggressive.
Okay.
Whatever.
So he told me that he made contact with you, asked you to leave, then you left, and then you came back. So basically at this point, then they want you to trespass from here.
In Florida, there are restrictions on how many hours healthcare workers can work in a 24-hour period. She is not an on-call doctor nor a live-in caregiver. She's a liar. Probably not even the process server she claims to be.
Medical center.
Okay.
If he wanted me to leave, he could have just said, my window was all the way down. He had it.
Okay. Can you do me a
as
favor,
much as,
roll both windows down? That's Officer Young.
It was as much as saying, hey, can you go? No, I'm leaving. I have better things to do with my time.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license?
Yeah.
What happened to the car? Was it in a crash?
I got T-boned at a red light the other day.
No way. What was this recent?
Yeah, it was a week ago.
In Key West?
I'm waiting on insurance. No, I drive down. I live part-time here, part-time in Palm Beach.
Okay.
Palm Beach County. I don't, but I can give you my name and date of birth.
You don't have your license on you?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Alexa, here you go. Just give me a second, okay?
Thank you.
Hi. Okay, so she was charging Tesla?
She was charging the Tesla. She was sleeping. I asked her if she was okay. She's swinging back and forth. And she said, "Why you're on my window?"
All right. Yeah, just give us a few minutes to wrap this up. And
I just want her to be able to let you know I was here.
And you won her trespass from here? Is that the case? Okay. Okay. I'll be back with you.
Are you a nurse?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm I probably have chocolate on my face right now.
Oh, you're fine.
She's irritating.
Do you work in the
He's
ER?
ignorant. No, I do not work in the ER.
Where do you work in the? You said you're a nurse.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's a whole hospital. So I'm a travel. So I come in. I work where they need me to.
Okay, so
but
you,
I'm down here for 2 weeks at a time.
okay, so but
and
you're
then
going back
also-
to this hospital at 6 a.m. is what
Oh
you said.
yeah. No, I go back at like 4 or 5 o'clock. 8 to 4, about 8 hours from now. 7.5 hours from now.
Because you just told me you were going right back.
Yeah, I am going right back. 4 or 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Like, I literally, like, I came, I plugged in, I knocked out of the charger. I have to eat and pretty much go right back.
Okay.
I'll knock out there for an hour, but like I was explaining to her, like, he's ignorant. He has no idea what he's talking about. They're public chargers.
Mm-hmm.
If he doesn't want me to be here, there's 30 other chargers I can go plug in
Mm-hmm.
anywhere else.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not taking their electricity. I'm not taking up their spaces because technically if they have the Tesla sign right there, Tesla charging only, he can ask me to leave. He can have small dick syndrome. He can come up and act like a big bad guy.
Yeah.
I'll leave. Kudos to you for doing your job, but he's completely ignorant with the situation. I'm not taking.
See what happens when you lie. You end up tripping over all of your lays. That is not a public charger, it's a private charger that's meant for the people in that building. You are indeed stealing that electricity.
He can come up and act like a big bad guy.
Yeah.
I'll leave. Kudos to you for doing your job, but he's completely ignorant with the situation. I'm not taking up their space. Technically, when I'm parked fully in the spot, I'm not taking their electricity. I'm also not going to cause a problem because why am I sitting here wasting my time when I could be sleeping?
Yeah.
And I still haven't eaten, so I have better things to do.
Okay. Are you taking any medication?
No, I'm not taking any medication.
Okay. So the biggest concern is basically what the guard told me, that you were kind of like passed out, then you were like swaying around, and you look like you're like there's something wrong, there's something going on.
Okay, and it's kind of funny, like to specifically tell you, my wife says don't fall asleep in your car because she says you look high when you sleep, and people are gonna call on you. It's honestly like it's a joke, like from her and my mom. No, I'm not taking any medication. I'm not taking any prescription, whatever you want to call it. I'm a nurse. I work 23.5 hours. I'm tired, and of course it's not.
Okay. So if you're that tired that you're basically passed out in the vehicle, like
I had my seat back. I have a pillow.
No, what I'm saying is like I'm not sure if you're safe to drive, is what I'm saying.
I just passed out for this time. Now I'm okay to drive. I'm okay to drive.
Okay, well, I don't know how much shut-eye did you get while you were trying to charge the vehicle,
This is
but
5.5 hours. I'm okay. Like, I'm okay. I woke up, I'm pissed off. He came up, my window was all the way down, he was in my face. I'm pissed. I'm irritated. Now all due respect, you take it on my time. Like, this is irritating. I know you're doing your job, you're on your job's time, but no. Like, I have better things to do. That's why I'm like, I know I'm allowed to be here with the fact that it's a Tesla public charger. I don't have time to sit here and argue with them.
okay.
So I just left. I didn't leave and come back. I have better things to do.
If she works in healthcare and is a traveling nurse, she's probably high by stealing and using a patient's narcotic medication. She sounds high and incoherent.
Oh, what is the issue?
The issue is
I plugged in my car.
okay. The issue is you were passed out in the vehicle. The issue is I saw the video of that the guard
Yeah,
took of you.
because
Okay,
I
can I finish talking? I understand you're exhausted, okay, but that's another reason why we want to make sure you don't drive away and get in a crash. So do you have somebody who can come and pick you up and drive you in the vehicle? Because I don't know if you're okay to drive.
I am okay to drive.
Okay, well, you say that, but it's.
Would you like to follow me? I'm going to grab my Starbucks and go back to the parking lot at work so I can
Right,
chat.
but
So is
you
that-
didn't answer the question. Where are you sleeping?
I go to the KOA in Sugarland.
Okay.
You go where? I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
The KOA up in Sugarland.
Okay, so that's.
I am okay to drive. Like, this is just, and I know that you guys are just doing your job. I respect, I'm a process server. I work for Palm Beach County Courts. I have a lot of respect for law enforcement. I'm not the person to get nasty, but like,
Then you should have
I got
respect
places
for
to be.
Right. But you should have some respect then that if we decide
Exactly.
that it's not okay for you to drive because you've been up and you're exhausted and maybe your driving faculties are impaired, that's the call that we make and we have to deal with it
Why would
accordingly.
my driving faculty?
Because you're a nurse, you know that if you're up 24 hours and you haven't slept, that your faculties can become impaired.
And I just slept for 4 hours at the charger, as you saw.
Well, I saw you when you woke up, and you look like a ghost. You were just like doing really weird stuff in the car. So that's what I'm
Yeah,
concerned.
because-
Like now you're talking to me. Now you woke up. I get it.
Oh my God, here we go with more crap. Come come on.
But what? I'm sorry? Okay, so
Like
again,
everybody's just commenting. Like, do you want to follow me to the car?
no, I don't want to follow
Do
you.
wanna
I'm
follow me
asking
there?
you.
No, I do not have anybody.
Okay.
No, ma'am, I don't. Like, why do you think I'm working in the keys? Like this is just obnoxious.
She was warned not to return to the entire property or she could face arrest. But just a few hours later, she came back and caused trouble again. And I think you can already guess what the officers were about to do next.
Alright, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. No, put your hands behind your back.
I am here at Starbucks. Okay,
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting. Knock it off. Knock it off. I'm not resisting. Stop. Sir, I'm not resisting.
Oh, you got trespassed from here
And
earlier
no,
today.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
I'm here at
You did.
Starbucks.
This is business property.
I'm here at Starbucks, parking for Starbucks patrons only. Am I not allowed to have Starbucks?
No, this is their property. Stop.
Okay, then I'll leave.
Stop.
I'm not doing anything.
Stop.
I'm literally not doing anything.
Face the car now. Or you're going to get a charge for resisting,
I'm
okay?
literally holding right here.
Stop. Lean against the car.
I'm literally leaning against the car. I'm not doing anything. I've never once in my life been arrested. I'm a nurse. I'm a process server. I work for Palm Beach County Court.
Do you have an ID? Or not?
Sir, I wasn't physically
We're going to the car,
trespassed
okay?
earlier.
100, I'm 1013. She's
I'm not
wanting to
doing
resist. That one's a
Craig.
Do you have anything in your pockets?
No, I'm a nurse, sir.
Ma'am, you were trespassed from here earlier today,
I
okay?
wasn't. You don't understand.
Yes, you were.
I was not given a written
Okay.
warning. I'm here at Starbucks.
This is Blue Flamingo's
I'm
property,
here
ma'am.
at Starbucks.
All right, to the hood of the car.
I'm here at
To the hood of the car.
I'm here.
Stop.
I
Stop.
cannot be arrested.
Yes,
I'm
you
a
can.
nurse.
You're
I
trespassing
wasn't
here.
trespassed.
Too bad. They have a card, okay?
I was not trespassed. So you don't understand. I am a nurse. I wasn't trespassed earlier. You don't understand. The girl said, I explained the charges. You can go in there. I don't care. I got nothing in my
Okay,
pocket.
you're in the car, okay?
Like, you don't understand.
In the car.
I'm getting in the car. Listen, I cannot be arrested. Okay. Like, if we need to have a conversation with
I'm gonna put the camera on and go talk to them.
I work with cops all day. You show up like, come on. I just work fucking 24 hours.
Ultimately, she was charged with trespassing in a structure or conveyance, and the case remains pending in court. After the video was shared online, it quickly gained nearly 500,000 views and sparked a wave of public reactions. Here are some of the comments from viewers. Who else thinks her recent accident was her fault? There is a Starbucks like every 600 feet in this country. She couldn't pick another one other than the one at the place she was trespassed from earlier. Nurses, even travelers, do not work 23-hour shifts. Oh, now she's a process serve. What's your take on this case? Let us know below. Next, watch how police handle the most difficult woman during this traffic stop.
Do I not have a license?
Do you not have a license? Where is it?
I don't need to give you my license.
You don't?
I do not.
On August 14th, 2025, officers conducted a traffic stop on a blue Tesla after noticing it was being driven without a license plate displayed on the rear of the vehicle. Things quickly escalated when she refused to provide her identification.
A license plate on the back of the Tesla.
This is a brand new car. I just purchased it. I have a temporary tag.
Where's the temporary tag?
It should be on the back.
Where?
Where the tag goes. No, where the tag goes, like on the...
On the back, there's nothing there. So I don't know, maybe you lost it while you were driving. You have any weapons in the car? That's the insurance. We're gonna need that too, and your license.
I don't need to give you guys anything.
What's your issue? Why are you being like that? I just stopped you because you don't have the license plate. You said that it should be there, right? And I told you that it's
Correct.
not. So then where is it?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay.
So
So
you
then
can
that's
fill out
why
this on
I'm
my ticket.
asking you. Okay. And then in order for me to move forward, I will need the information because obviously I can't get anything off of a tag that's not there. Do you not have a license?
Do I not have a license?
Do you not have a license? Where is it?
I don't need to give you my license.
You don't?
I do not.
Sweet. All right. So she's refusing to give any sort of information.
Is she gonna give you her name? Please give her her name.
All right. What's your name?
She has to identify herself sometime.
What is your name?
I'm not contracting with you, but I'll give you my name. But I want to make sure for the record,
Of course.
okay, good. I'm not contracting with the state. I'm not contracting with you whatsoever. I'll give you my name solely for the purposes.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Tell me your name. I'm sorry, say that again? How do you spell it?
C-A-N.
Last name. Sorry?
I'm not in the jurisdiction. I'm not traveling. I'm sorry, I'm not driving. I am traveling.
Alright, so she's just giving the first name. She's just giving the first name. She's...
Ma'am, we have to be able to identify you because you're lawfully being stopped.
Lawful being stopped under what grounds?
You have no tag on your vehicle.
Right, and as I just mentioned to her.
Sorry?
Huh?
Why are you guys surrounding my vehicle right now? Now I feel threatened.
I'm not traveling. I mean, I'm not driving. She almost screwed up the script. Sounds like a sovereign citizen to me. But what happened next was far worse.
On a lawful stop. You're being lawfully stopped with probable cause of having no tag.
What crime is that?
You have no, you're not understanding. You have no tag. That is a crime. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Are you going to identify yourself? We have to have some type of way to identify you.
Okay, what are you looking at?
10-4. She's talking to you, so then talk to her. If I was going to talk to you, you should have done
You're
that
all
earlier.
over my vehicle and all over my stuff. And I don't
Ma'am, do you
listening to
have
radio,
a form
so-
of ID for us to identify you?
It's in my trunk.
Where in your trunk? Where in your trunk?
Lonnie, where did you put that bag? Listen, I'm in the middle of moving, so my shit's everywhere, and it's.
Okay, so where's your ID?
I just told you it's in my trunk. I believe.
What in your trunk? Like in a bag?
Yes, in a
In
packet, because I enrolled her to the school, so I have a packet that's full of all of my personal documents, my social, my passport, etc.
so it's in a bag in the trunk.
Correct.
What color is the bag?
It's not in a bag; it's in a pouch.
Okay, so what color is the pouch?
Purple.
So it's a purple pouch in the trunk that has your ID in it. Okay. So can you open the trunk so we can get your ID?
I can open the trunk and get my ID.
No, we cannot allow you to get out and go in the trunk.
Well, I'm not allowing you to go in
Okay, so can you give us your name?
I just
Your
gave it to
first
her.
name, last name, date of
Just gave it
birth.
to her.
We're going to need more information than what you were telling us, okay? Candace, we can't just go based off of Candace. So either you allow for us to get the documents out of your trunk or you give us the information verbally. Those are your only two options at this time.
What? So your first name is Candace. What's your last
I
name?
just gave it to her. Conroy.
It's
What
what?
is your last name?
Conroy.
Conroy? How do you spell Conroy?
I'm not giving you any more information. I do not have to.
As soon as any of those stupid sovereign tactics come out of someone's mouth, just arrest them. It should be an automatic felony on top of whatever other charges they'll have, like a sovereign felony package, no driver's license, no insurance, no registration.
We're gonna go ahead and... Pa fuera.
You're gonna what?
Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Is the car off?
No, excuse me. What are you about to do?
Is the car off,
What are you
ma'am?
about to do?
We're going to remove you and the passenger out of the vehicle
You are
due
not
to
going to
you
do
not
that.
wanting to cooperate with
I
us and
am
provide us
not
the information
agreeing.
that we were asking for
Lonnie,
you to give us.
I am not agreeing to you. Excuse me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Do not touch me, Alani, please. Alani, record this. This is crazy. I do not agree
Ma'am.
to this at all. I do not agree to this. What are you
Ma'am,
doing?
because you're not identifying yourself.
I just gave you my freaking name. What the hell are you
you did
talking
not.
about?
No, you
Yes,
didn't.
I did. Do not touch me. What the is wrong with y'all? What are you doing? Yo! Do not touch my daughter.
Your daughter's cooperating. We don't have to do anything. You're not
Are
cooperating.
you kidding me? We're about to get sued out of the ass. Do not touch my.
Put this phone back in the car, please.
Can't give it to you, Mom. Are you going to take it with you?
No, she's giving it to me. Why can't she
You
give it to
can't
me?
have
No.
She said
Are you
Put the
kidding
phone
me?
back in the car.
Why can I not have my phone?
Because you're detained right now.
For what crime?
The officer explained it.
No, there's no crime taking place here.
Take this with you, or are you leaving?
Leave it in the car, Lenny. Can I talk to my daughter? Can you get away from me, please?
No, I cannot get away from you. You're detained at this time.
You can talk to your daughter, but just, can't let you walk away.
I'm not asking to walk away. I'm asking her to come here and y'all step away from me, please.
I'm not stepping away from you.
She's right here, man. You can talk.
Alani, call Chris, please.
If we're going to do telephone communication between the two, we're not going to allow that to happen.
You do not need to talk to her, period. Step down. Know your place. You work for us.
These women always have a nasty attitude with female cops for some reason. She's calling him sir and telling the woman cop to stand down and know your place. Like these female cops can't put the same cuffs on you as any other cop, lol, come on.
Stuff with her daughter, to do stuff.
Can I ask her daughter for the phone?
Do you have anything on you?
Right now.
Do you have anything
Get
on
off
you?
of me.
Do you have anything
Sir,
on you?
please.
If you're putting her in the car,
Sir, please.
we're going to place her on arrest anytime she's being arrested.
Okay, so
What am I being arrested for?
You've been arrested for resisting?
I'm not resisting anything.
You resisted because you did not.
I am
identify
not
yourself.
resisting anything.
And you're-
That is not, sir.
Yes,
Sir, please.
I understand that you don't recognize the local laws and the state laws. You have a different
I
belief.
do not refuse anything. I told him where it was, and I told him I would get it.
and you're not allowed to get it. And I told you I would get it for you, and you still didn't want to
If
get
you aren't
it.
providing your name and identification, if you aren't,
I gave them my name.
If you're resisting officers,
I'm not resisting anything.
if they're trying to get,
I asked them
they're
if I could
trying
talk to my daughter.
They're trying to identify who you are, and you aren't providing your name and
I
your
gave them my
information,
name.
but that name wasn't coming up.
What do you
And
mean
then
that name is
weren't-
not coming
and then
up?
you weren't giving them anything that they could use to identify you. You're also driving in a vehicle, or you're traveling in a vehicle that doesn't have a license plate on it. That's why they stopped you.
I understand that.
Okay, so based
There
on,
was one on there. I literally bought that from the dealership not even a month ago.
So based on you not cooperating and providing the officers the information they needed, that's a form of passive resistance.
It is not.
And they're placing you under
Sir, it's not.
as a result of that.
Sir, it's not.
That's why you're in handcuffs, because they're trying to.
Who is the injured party right now then?
I don't know if there's an injured
Then there's
party.
no crime here
By
going
your
on right
term-
now.
By your term.
There's no crime
Just explain to you
whatsoever. And I have not resisted
right.
anything. He
Ma'am, do you want me to? Your daughter needs to get to school. Okay, so do you want me to release her to school? Do you want me to escort her to school? How do you want me to get her over there? I'm trying to help you here.
Sir, can you please get this woman out of my face?
I'm not moving.
Ma'am, let's just focus on your daughter.
Just focus on her. Focus on your daughter. Tell her what you want to tell her.
Can you please call Chris? Yeah. Is he not answering?
Ma'am,
No.
I need to get her to
How do you
school.
get your
I need to
daughter school?
I need to
This
get her to
is why
school.
I separated you because you're trying to do stuff with your daughter, which you're not allowed. How are you going to get your daughter to
Who are you, my maker?
Okay, so I'm going to make a choice for you in a second, ma'am.
Go ahead and get in.
Walk over there, or is she going to walk by herself? What do you want to do?
I don't really think she's.
Another officer tried to explain that refusing to provide information during a lawful traffic stop could be considered passive resistance. But she didn't seem to understand a single word of it.
It can go off of is what they explained to me. So if you resisted their efforts to identify you, if you didn't cooperate with them during the course of the stop, that constitutes resisting without violence, and that's the charge. Okay. It looks like the vehicle is registered, so it's not an unregistered vehicle. So it's just okay.
That's my girlfriend.
Mhm.
She's still continuing to brought the other one.
Okay.
And the other one came. And you did the same, trying to harass, arrest, and all about.
I'm sorry. What's your first name? Candace. I assure you, I'm going to watch the body camera footage.
Right.
And if they got it uploaded. So once it's uploaded, I will watch it today. And if I see that anything, I can't at this point. The officer has the authority to place you under arrest. I can't unarrest you if they are claiming that they have valid charges to arrest you, and from
So
what
you're going to allow
they're police officers, so they can make that determination. I'm just their
And how many
supervisor.
police officers have been sued and their offices have been sued because
Right.
have made stupid decisions and not honoring others' rights?
Right, but
Like, come on now,
that has to be determined. So I have to look and see if that was
So
the
you
case.
violate my rights in the meantime.
No, we're not violating
are
your rights in the
violating
meantime.
them.
If that's the
You
case,
are.
then you have the civil means to address it. So I'm not saying you feel the way you feel. I'm not trying to invalidate your feelings here, but I'm just telling you the rules that I have to abide by. So if an officer comes out, unless I witnessed it, then I can make that assumption and say, no, we're not going to make an arrest here. You're going to take her out of handcuffs. But I didn't witness it. This officer has the training. They're sworn.
Everything is null and void from the beginning because you guys don't even have the jurisdiction to stop me to begin with.
Right, and that's where you have the belief that we don't have the jurisdiction, and we are operating. This vehicle is being driven or operated in our municipality,
as I mentioned to her.
And that would have, and
registered.
it's still supposed to have a tag regardless of what happened. And if that would have been explained, and if you provided them the information, the officer would have the discretion to say, okay, well, you know what, I believe your story, I'll give you a warning. I don't know what the interaction was because I got to watch the video to see. But if you were being hostile, you weren't cooperative, you weren't providing them the information that they were asking you for them to make that determination that the car is registered and that everything is just what it seems, the officer could have let you go with even a warning. But if you weren't being cooperative, if you weren't providing the officer the documents that they were requesting, you weren't given the opportunity to identify you. I'm just saying, because this is what they were telling you. You know what I'm saying? At that point,
the law states that I don't even need to provide unless a crime has been committed.
That's not true.
Ultimately, she was charged with resisting an officer without violence and was also cited for failing to display a license plate, failing to carry her vehicle registration, failing to carry her driver's license, failing to provide proof of insurance, and driving with a suspended license without knowledge. Lesson learned: if the vehicle doesn't have a license plate, leave it at home or take a taxi instead. Next, meet this arrogant woman who believed her wealth gave her the right to intimidate anyone.
To talk to him and tell him, you know, I would have spoken. Even I got out of the car and I was like, I even said to him, will you talk to me?
On June 7th, 2025, police received a report that a woman driver had intentionally chased a teenage boy who was riding an e-bike on the sidewalk. What they didn't know yet was how arrogant she'd be about it.
Yes, I don't care if we're stretching it to the max. I'm pressing charges.
Okay. Let me,
I mean, you got child endangerment, attempt to kidnap, because I don't know her intent.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you can't attempt to kidnap, but...
Dude, I got video of someone chasing on the sidewalk at 20.
I understand. It's definitely, something concerned. Let me call my supervisor and see what he has to say about it. Is that on the prepared live, the video? Okay, perfect. Alright, just give me 1 second.
And I need a report, because if this doesn't go anywhere, I'm legaling it up, and I'm going balls to the wall.
Okay.
Against everybody.
Mm-hmm.
So, I want charges pressed. I want a police report done.
Okay.
With her info, her license, everything.
Alright, just give me 1 second, sir.
okay.
Here's what happened.
Okay.
They don't know what's going on with their phones. They act like they know what happened.
Okay.
I live right there. I'm 65 years old. I've had both of my hips replaced.
Okay.
I also have a dog who I was throwing the ball up, the squeaky toy for him. He wasn't in the street. This boy comes down on the sidewalk, 35 miles an hour. I'm not kidding you. 2 nights ago, or in the evening, I'm on the street that goes along there. He comes right at me. And I was like, you have to slow down when people are here.
Mm-hmm.
He thought that was funny, so they go more. And so then, tonight, I get my car to try to catch him, because I thought he lived in the neighborhood.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to either see where he lived, to talk to his mother nicely, or I wanted to talk to him nicely, because I thought he was my neighbor. No, he's doing that. Guess what? He doesn't even.
The fact that she thought she was going to somehow have a cordial conversation with the kid's parents after chasing him home on the sidewalk with her car is absolutely mind-boggling. But that wasn't even the worst part.
I don't know if you have a dog, but that's my child.
Okay.
And I would have called you, actually, and then I went and got in the W's. I couldn't get out of the W's. Guess what? Because my GPS won't work. Come on, my phone said, do you want to come in the house?
No.
My phone is in the house. I couldn't even use my GPS to get out. But let's put it this way. He could have disabled me for the rest of my life. And he's probably, 17? He would have gone on the rest of his life, living a great life. And I'd have been in a wheelchair, or he would have hit my dog. And then I would have found him, and it would have gotten ugly.
Okay. What's your name?
Julia.
Julia? Okay, so I got video of you driving up on the sidewalk recklessly. You would have hit that kid on the bike and killed him. You're going to jail for manslaughter. You
I'm
understand?
not going to hit him and kill him.
You're driving recklessly on the sidewalk where people walk their dogs and ride their bikes. That video of you doing almost 30 miles an hour up that sidewalk with your vehicle.
I was trying to catch him.
Ma'am.
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Because you're this close to going to jail.
I'm listening.
You understand? I understand you're concerned about kids driving. You call us, we do our best to find them, right? You think 65 years old, right?
You think it's a smart idea to be driving up on a sidewalk doing 30 miles an hour, chasing a kid on a bike? Answer the question.
I don't consider that a sidewalk.
What do you consider it?
There's cars on there all the time.
They're parked up on the grass so they can walk on the sidewalk.
All right,
You
I
are
will
doing, I
admit
got you
that
for at least
wasn't
3
smart.
minutes
I will admit
up
that
on the
wasn't-
sidewalk driving recklessly over 30 miles an hour from what my reporting party told
And
me.
you can see he was going faster than
Do
me.
you still think you're correct? I tell you, do it again, you are going to jail. We're taking
I
your
will
car.
never do it again.
Do you understand what
I
your
do
actions?
I do understand. I was very emotional.
After reviewing the video, the officer determined that Julia's actions were the real problem. But it seemed like she wasn't listening to a single word he was saying.
I'll stop.
All right, you see something like that, you call us. You don't take it into your own
All
hands.
right, you're right.
God forbid you hit somebody. I promise you I'll do everything in my power to make sure you go to jail.
You're right.
Take your car, and what else I could do for you.
All right.
I find out you're doing it again, chasing this kid even on the road.
Oh God, no. This was
But it was a great idea to follow him on the sidewalk and chase him.
no. Like I said, it was
I
like
hear what you said.
I know.
You're not. I want you to listen.
I'm listening.
This kid does it again. You chase him in your car again, we'll get you for aggravated assault.
Of course I'm not going to.
But you did it.
I know.
And you were willing to chase this kid as far as it could go until this other car, this person that called us, stopped you. They blocked you at the sidewalk, correct?
Yeah.
Where does this make sense to you?
Okay, it doesn't.
Do you live alone?
Yes.
We're taking your car. You're not getting it back. You're losing your license. You're not driving if you get
Now?
another car. No. I find out you do this again. You're this close to doing
not.
it.
Of course not.
You're saying of course not, but look at your actions that just happened.
No, but I'm
100%, 110%.
I'm
You were
not
going to jail if you hit this kid.
I'm not disagreeing with you.
So I'm trying to understand where you thought this was the right thing to do. Tell me
can't-
your emotions took over.
I'm not-
So should I put you in for a reevaluation of your
I'm
driver's
not
license
trying to-
now?
I'm not trying to disagree with you.
You're trying to make what you did sound correct.
No, I'm not trying to say sound
You have.
correct. I'm telling you why I did it. I'm not saying it's right. I'm just trying to. No, I'm not trying to excuse it. I'm trying to explain, even though it was wrong, why I did it. I didn't just like come out and say, "Oh, here, let me go." You know, chase
weren't
this boy. Well, maybe not.
No.
She was worried that her neighbors would see her getting arrested, but wasn't worried about her neighbors seeing her driving on the bike path chasing a kid. This woman is completely unhinged.
To the street and I wave someone down. I'm like, hey, she just tried to hit me. Help me.
And then the other car blocked it off.
Yes. Yeah, there was another guy, but he kept going.
almost hit him.
All right, so let me ask you, when she almost hit you, was she turning onto a street or?
Just when she entered the bike path, right?
No, she was already on the bike path. She was already on it, and she went.
speeded up.
Yeah, she went onto like on the grass section where there's enough room for a car to come by. She overtook me, cut me off, and that's when I got really, really scared because I literally could have died. She was really close to me.
He's not rode his bike since.
Yeah.
I mean, he's really torn up, and he loves his bike.
Yeah.
We need to make awareness of this.
Mhm.
You know, you've seen it. Kids are getting hit, they're dying.
Especially on these e-bikes right
Yeah,
now.
policy needs to be put in place.
Some kind.
Legislation, we need to change the law in the city because these kids, and mine's no saint by any means, but these kids are getting a little too much, and then the drivers are taking the law into their own hands.
Yep, I agree.
Because you see stuff that's not reported.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely.
And that's what I fear for him is this could have been so much worse.
Yeah.
They could have. If he'd
So-
swerved and went into traffic over her.
Or him fall, and then she couldn't see because it was not.
Yeah.
Now
Absolutely.
you got hit and run. You got all kinds of stupid stuff.
Yep.
Over nonsense is what I call it. Nonsense makes me mad.
But I appreciate you.
I
No
do
worries.
appreciate
Do you have any other questions for me?
Oh, do you mind if you just step out?
Are you arresting me?
Well, I'm not saying that. We just have to talk, okay? I have to read you your rights before I question you, okay? Because I'm going to ask you incriminating questions. With these rights, are you willing to talk to me?
Yes.
Okay. So, when you were following him, did you ever get close to him?
I don't think so. No, I couldn't catch up with him.
So you were trying to catch up to him?
Enough that I could talk to him, yeah. To
Okay.
tell him what I was
So if
doing.
he's speeding away, and you're continuing to follow him, why would you keep on following? I just.
That was stupid. That was
Okay.
stupid.
So when you were on the sidewalk, did you ever like jump in front of him? Nothing like that. And you didn't try to get in front of him before you started following him,
Yeah, no, before I started following.
or before you went on the sidewalk? Because that's the story I got. That right before you hopped on the sidewalk, or maybe as soon as it happened, you kind of like try to cut him off.
I tried to come around. I didn't try to cut him off.
So you try to go.
This is a prime example of privilege. If this officer doesn't arrest her, he is a reason why she thinks she is privileged. And of course, she had to face the consequences of her reckless action.
The guy on the bike out, because from their angle, it doesn't look good. You know what I mean?
Right. I understand.
Yeah, and you probably didn't know at the time, but he's a juvenile. He's 14 years old.
Oh, you found him?
Yeah, that's the reason why we're here. Is because they're. I'm gonna be honest. They want to press charges, so we have to get your side of the story and all the totality of the circumstances. I also went to the witness's house. He recorded you following on the bike path. And it shows you kind of not speeding up, but continuing, like keeping a like a 20-foot distance. I would say. He said it was around 6 or 10 feet. What would you estimate the distance to be that you were following him?
Maybe 2 car lengths.
Okay.
I don't know what yard. I'm not good with yards.
Oh yeah, you're good. You don't have to do that. So I'm gonna be honest with you. Based on what we have now, I'm gonna be making an arrest on aggravated assault and the reckless driving too. Based on everything that I have. Okay. So I'm gonna need you to turn around for me.
I gotta.
And we'll do that. We'll do all that after.
My mother.
Okay.
Oh,
We'll do all that
don't
after.
do this.
Okay.
Please, in
Put
front
your
of
hands
my
behind your
neighbor.
back.
Is my door
Here,
open?
we can go in the door for you. Yep, that's fine. I'll give you that respect. And then I'll turn the AC on once you get in.
Thank you.
After everything that happened, Julia was charged with aggravated assault and reckless driving. Just 3 months after being uploaded, the video had already attracted over 100,000 views and sparked a wide range of discussion. Here are some of the most notable opinions. The fact she hunted a child down in her car on a sidewalk is terrifying. Has anyone noticed that some seniors behave worse than teenagers? This woman is a prime example. Kudos to the office scolding her. She is totally wrong. What do you think about this case? Please comment. While one woman chased a 14-year-old boy down the sidewalk with her car, the next woman terrorized a homeowner after being evicted.
Bust my window. This is the third time she did that, man. Y'all not service shit. Fuck you.
On May 16th, 2026, police received a call reporting that a woman had returned to a former residence and was causing damage by throwing rocks at the window. The caller stated that this was the 3rd time she had broken the windows, prompting officers to respond to the scene.
What's going on today? Why are we getting a call that you're over there throwing rocks at the place?
Going right, that's my place. I own that place.
Do you own that place?
Yeah, I live there. I still have the keys there. They changed the locks for me. They have to take me to court. I still live there legally. Legally, I still live there. They can't kick me out 130 days.
When was the last time you stayed there?
Not too long ago, like months ago. I keep calling his phone. He keep playing tic-tac. He want to play police games. He said I could come there and get my belongings.
Do you have your phone on you to show me those?
It was a call. I have a call. My phone, I had it on my belly because I'm walking. I got no pockets, and it shows that I can't do it because it's disabled. But I did call him. I had permission to come over here.
Can you show me it on your phone?
It's disabled, so I probably won't be able to. But I have shown it's text message in his phone saying that I can come over here and get my belongings. I called, so it's recorded. So. Right now, say 50 minutes. But I have proof that I had.
So it put your.
Yeah.
Act like you're putting your.
Yes, sir. I had permission that I could come over here and get my belongings, and he did not open the door. So for protective custody, I did what I had to do to get my belongings. I do not have to.
What did you do to?
I don't have to explain all that. I did what I had to do. He doesn't want to come over. I had nice things, and I called. Told me no, I can't get my belongings.
Oh, wait. No, TPS, she bust my window. This is the 3rd time she did that, man. Y'all not service shit.
You need
to
listen. Yeah, but I called and he said I can get my belongings. It's in text message. You can ask him, can you see his phone? I don't mind sitting here. Can I please sit down?
Let's sit over here. Okay.
I called. He said I could get my
Just right here on this rock.
He's a liar.
Okay, just take a seat.
He shotguns his contradict the whole world. He's a liar. He told me
Take
that
a seat right here
Yeah.
on the curb.
He told me that I could get my
No, on the curb.
The woman repeatedly claimed that she still had the keys and that her name was still on the paperwork. However, she was unable to provide clear proof that she had permission to enter the property.
Get put out. He's had a household and he kicked me out with no permission. He has to take me before. I still have keys to this house. I have a key that goes to that door. I still legally live there.
But you said you haven't stayed there in months?
No, for about a month. I have a place. I have 2 places. This place, that place. I told the landlord that I was moving out, but I didn't. That I need my deposit back. They put him as head of household because he's incested. He slept with his sister, a girl named Leah. I didn't cause no harm to him. I just want my house back and my belongings. All my belongings there. I called his phone. He said I could get it. He wants to keep locking me up, taking me to jail. He has no reason to. I don't give a about him. I just want my belongings. He steady keep harassing me and lying, saying I could come here and then calling the cops. I already called the cops to get my belongings, and he said no, that I can't get my belongings now because it's a female in the house. I own that house. So can I get my belongings?
We're gonna work on that, okay?
Can we work getting on my belongings?
Yeah, we're gonna work on
I asked a million times. I have not caused chaos. I asked 1,000 times.
You went there and you broke a bunch of windows.
Yeah, those are my windows. I own that house. I paid for that house. I heard voices in the house. I'm hearing things. That's my house. You're supposed to go for the military. I own that house. Legally, my family is in that vent. So can we walk? Can we go down?
How far down is it?
1837, 37.
Yeah, don't go to this car. There's a dog in here. All right.
I just want my belongings.
All right. Hang on. I'm gonna have you sit in this car real quick.
No, sir. I just want to get my belongings.
Okay, hang on. Let's come over here. I have to wait for this officer to get down there. So we're just going to take a seat right here. And we're going to hang out until they advise.
Just want my belongings. I'm not trying to go to jail or anything like that. I'm tired of going to jail. I'm not doing this tit for tat. He's steady calling the cops so I can go to jail. No.
Okay.
I just want my belongings. I live there.
Okay.
I legally have keys that go to that door. I'm not kicked out of that house. He needs a court order. I don't have to listen to nothing nobody says. I'm a free woman. I can do what I want, please. I have keys to that house. All he wants to see is keep me getting locked up. He's just weird.
Anytime they say that's all I'm asking, it's never all they're asking. This is their attempt at moving the goalposts. They want you to give them an inch so they can take a mile. They'll just keep asking for more and more and more, all while saying that's all I'm asking.
Yeah, he called the cops. That's why we're here.
And I called the cops too and let them know that he's about to get my belongings because he's gonna sit it outside. My belongings are not
11
outside.
from 16. Just stay seated for now.
No, I'm in protective custody. I know what I'm doing. I'm abnormality, and you shoot me, you going to jail.
Take a seat.
I'm calm. I can circle around.
No, I prefer you don't. Take a seat.
No, I'm not doing anything
Okay.
to you.
You need to take a seat, okay?
Don't harass me.
I'm not. Take a seat, please.
No seat, because I know you're gonna lock me up eventually.
Why would I lock you up if you did nothing wrong?
I didn't, but it seemed like you are.
No,
Are
I
you
just
intimidated?
I just don't want you walking around.
I could walk around.
She's stating that she still lives there.
I do live
and we
there.
figure out what's going on with
My name is still on that mailbox. That is not his house.
He's lived there for a long time.
I lived there for a long time. I've been living there for 3 years. I put money down on that place. I have permission. That's my house. I was head of household. I'm the one that signed the paper. Huh?
Is it a rental?
That's not my car.
Huh? No, I said is the house a rental?
Yes, it's a rental. I was head of household on that car. They're trying to lock me up for some legal stuff. I go to the landlord's office to go get documentations, but I put head of household on that piece of paper. I filed taxes on that house, a head of household. He doesn't own that house. Can you tell bring my belongings outside?
We're working on that. The other officer's talking to him right now.
I just didn't come outside for nothing, man. I came out here to get my belongings. That's all I'm asking. I'm not causing no disturbance or nothing like that. I just want my belongings.
The thing is, though, is you went over there and you broke a bunch of windows.
No, I didn't do anything like that, sir.
Then why does he have 2 broken windows right now?
You have to ask him, sir. I don't know, sir. You have to ask him.
We did ask him, and he said you came there and threw rocks at
Well,
the
if you believe him, that's on you. I would like a lawyer or an attorney.
I just can't imagine living in a state of constant chaos like this. She became increasingly impatient, believing that the police were trying to arrest her instead of helping resolve the situation.
Me of anything.
Huh?
You can't just accuse me of anything. He says you don't have nothing there. Yes, I do. I have a green suitcase. You can go in there. It's a green suitcase. I have an Apple Watch. I have a dishwasher and it's gray, and I have an ice maker. Okay. Well, he's saying you got anything there. He's a liar. I just didn't come. What happened with the windows? You have to ask him. I didn't do that. He came outside, so I'm just gonna go home then. I asked to get my belongings. Hey, do not run! Do not run! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stop it!
We're fighting out there right now.
Get the f off of me.
No.
Okay. You bitch! Okay, David, bitch! You, let me go! Give me your arm! Bitch, move! Give me your arm! You bitch! Let go of my keys! Let go of my keys! Let go of my keys! You! 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 Get the f off of me!
Let go of her keys.
Get them keys, bitch! Thank you. You're talking about! Get off of me, bitch!
Right, well.
Move before you dislocate my arm, bitch!
Stop fighting.
No, bitch, I ain't fighting you, f***ers! I don't get no f*** you! On my mama, you get kicked out, bitch! You got my shit, I don't want your dirty ass! You dirty ass! He going to jail! You mean? Get off of me, I'm a celebrity, bitch! Get off of me now if I sue your ass! I got $1 million, bitch! I'm not playing with you, I'm pregnant, get the f off of me! Get the f off of me, I'm pregnant, bitch!
We'll roll you
No,
over.
get the f off of me, I'm pregnant!
We'll roll you over, you gotta stop fighting.
Get off of me, I'm pregnant!
You gotta stop fighting
no,
us.
I'm not playing with you, bitch! Get off of me!
You gotta stop fighting.
I don't get no fuck!
You gotta stop fighting
Get off
us.
of me! You suffocate my baby, bitch!
We'll roll you over, you gotta stop
bitch,
fighting.
Get off of me, get your
You
knees
gotta
off
stop
me.
fighting.
No, I ain't doing shit to you, bitch, I got a mouth.
You gotta stop
What
fighting.
you mean? I ain't fighting you, give me up. Lift me
Stop
up.
fighting us.
I don't get no lift me up, bitch.
Stop
bitch.
fighting us.
I don't get no bitch, I ain't hitting you. Lift me the up, bitch.
We will.
Lift me up. I ain't putting no bitch on King David, let me go. On King David, let me go. On King David, yeah, bitch, I ain't playing.
I'm pregnant, this is the new I can't breathe. Definitely a legend in her own mind. She has to know not paying bills will lead to eviction. She is resisting arrest and just added more charges. Now she has made the situation much bigger.
Yeah, bitch, give me up. Like I said, I'm pregnant. Hey, give me the up.
Stay seated.
I don't get no
Stay seated,
I am seated, bitch.
Stay seated.
Oh, my mama, I got a shotgun shot to the womb. Move.
Okay, that's
I'm a
fine.
human in the
Stop.
military. Let me go.
Stop.
Let me go.
Stop doing that.
No, bitch, fuck you. Fuck you. On my mama, fuck you.
Stop.
Fuck you. 12, get off me, bitch. Let me go. Fuck you. Fuck you and your rules, bitch.
Stop.
I pay you, bitch. You talk, I got an ass bitch. I got an ass bitch. On my mama, suck my dick, bitch. I don't get no you talking about. I run stop. I run shit. Stop. I ain't motherfucking city, bitch. That's the fuck I do. I run you out of assets, bitch. You mean? I got an assets, bitch. You turn, suck my dick. Suck my dick, bitch. Suck my dick, bitch. You mean? Let me go.
Take a seat.
Let me go. You mean? Give me my phone and shit, bitch.
No.
You talking about I'm gonna protect the custody, stupid. I don't get no free me. Free I see FEMA Rocky to free me on my mama. Free me, bitch. Free me. Free me, bitch. You talking about I ain't playing about shit I had going on with motherfuckers. They think I'm playing with his bitch ass. I put that 6 feet under. You me. You me. On TV, yeah, bitch, I take your shit and rock that shit and quit rock all on y'all motherfucking grounds. You talking about? I'm getting no on TV, I don't get no bitch. I run you, I got an ass. Y'all going to jail. Y'all going down for whatever the fuck you did. Y'all talking about mad. You mad, bitch? I don't get no that care about to be on. You better post my shit, bitch. I ain't playing. I ain't playing about shit I had going on. TV Nazi Rocky, bitch. They want to crack curses and shit. Bitch, good. The little nervous. Slow your roll, battle.
She was charged with criminal damage, resisting arrest battery on an officer, disorderly conduct, and threatening an officer. Lesson learned, don't use pregnancy or injuries as a shield. It won't get you anywhere. But through all the chaos, no one could match the arrogance of this wealthy couple.
You haven't warrant to inventory my car. What's your fucking...
On April 23, 2023, Seminole County Sheriff's deputies conducted a traffic stop after observing a vehicle traveling 64 miles per hour in a clearly marked 45 miles per hour zone. But as he walked up to talk to the driver, he knew he was in for a long night of sovereign rants.
Insurance? Yeah, did you give him your insurance?
No, we don't have it with us, but it should be online.
Okay.
It's,
Do you guys-
it's all linked together.
We can go get it.
What, can you find it online?
Huh?
Can you find it on your phone?
No, I don't have it. They don't. My insurance company doesn't have the app like that. No.
Okay, so you guys don't have insurance with you.
I have insurance, but I don't
But you don't have it
car.
here.
You're right. Yes.
Okay.
I'm not coming over this one. I just want to ask you a couple questions. Do I keep your hands to your body, sir? That's okay. You know how it is these days.
No, I don't. I feel like here I got two cops pulling me over. You said I was speeding. Okay, I'm speeding. I don't have my insurance card. Oops, I don't have my insurance card. This registration proves that I have insurance.
Okay.
It's online. It's in the
Sir,
record.
if you have a problem, you can take us to court, then you can
no,
debate it
no,
then.
I don't need to take you to court. You guys should know this.
Okay.
This is, I mean,
Are
this
you-
is,
are you-
be fair and honest, this is part of your job.
Okay.
You know, I mean, come on.
Part of your duty as a driver in the state of Florida has proof of your registration, proof of your insurance. on
Fair
it.
enough, fair enough. I'm not going to argue that. But at the same time, why is it that we are still required to carry paper? We have
You're not
internet.
required to
We
carry
have
paper.
electronics.
You can bring an electronic.
We
copy.
asked you
I
to
don't
show.
have
I
it.
asked
Well,
you to show it on my
I mean,
phone.
to
You
be
said you
fair
don't
with
have
you,
it.
I don't. My insurance company that I have doesn't have an app. I mean, some companies do, but mine doesn't. So I'm like, okay, they don't. Whatever.
Are you wearing contacts at all?
No,
The man was anything but cooperative, making an already difficult investigation even harder. Just when the officers thought things couldn't get any worse, the man's wife joined in. She was the real problem all along.
midnight. I mean, yes to me. Really.
You're close.
Midnight.
You're close.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes.
Give me a second, okay? We'll conduct an investigation. Can you go back to the car or step somewhere else, ma'am?
No, because
Ma'am, I'm asking.
Are you following the Santa's law or are you following the right law?
All right, I'm asking you nicely, okay, ma'am?
Okay.
Right now, we are conducting an investigation, and you are too close. You're impeding our investigation. I need you to move
Yeah,
away.
well, if you're following the Satan law, this is not right.
Ma'am, you go back to the car or move somewhere else, all right? For my safety,
This is
for
my
our safety.
husband, and I'm not going to stand for somebody accusing him of anything.
Ma'am, for our safety, and his safety, and your safety.
What am I doing? I don't even have a gun. I don't
Okay,
have anything.
right.
So how is safety being
Okay.
an
I'm
issue?
asking you, please, go back to the car.
But I want to know if I don't have, like, as of July 1st, of course I'll be able to have a gun. But right now I don't have anything. So how
Okay.
is his safety or your safety or his
We need
safety
our
being-
space. We need our space to
I need-
conduct this
I think
investigation.
my husband needs his space
So I'm
too.
going to ask you a couple more
Okay.
questions, but I read you something first. So
Ma'am?
I get
Yes.
some indicators
Please.
of impairment from you.
Don't make this harder than it has to be.
You have an orbital
You're making it hard for us.
You know,
We live like our house is right there in the corner. You're making it hard for us.
we are doing an investigation right now.
Really, an investigation of what?
Okay?
Of what? Tell me of what?
Not like Law and Order.
A DUI investigation. That's what we're doing right now. So, please, thank you.
During the investigation, the man refused to take a field sobriety test, leaving the officer to act based on what he'd already observed. The officer made his decision, but the woman was far from happy with it.
Wow. So you're under arrest for DUI.
All right, ma'am.
What?
Can you call somebody to come pick you up? This vehicle
We
will be
live
towed.
right here in the corner. No,
ma'am.
I cannot.
So this vehicle's being impounded. Your husband is under arrest for DUI. Okay.
Are you freaking kidding me?
I'm 100% serious. Okay.
All right.
This car is being towed in accordance with Seminole County Sheriff's Office Enforcement Policy E19, which states that all vehicles that drivers drive when placed under arrest for driving under the influence are to be towed and inventory for safekeeping. We're going to ask you to exit the vehicle.
We're right here around the corner.
I'm going to ask you to exit the vehicle. I'm going to ask you, I'm going to tell you, and then I'm going to make you. If I have to make you, you'll be going to jail for resisting arrest without violence. This is all up to you. Will you please step out of the car?
You guys are ridiculous.
Thank you.
I will walk to my house with this car in the corner.
It's up to you.
Thank you for working for the Satan.
You're welcome.
nobody can carry a gun, you guys will be safe.
All right, ma'am. You have a good night.
Let me get my key from my son's husband.
No,
You're not getting the key.
I
We
need the
have
key
it.
so that I can take it home with me.
Nope, you don't.
You're
get
not
the car
taking
keys.
this car
You're not
home.
taking the cars with you. The car's getting
You
towed.
are drunk.
I am walking to my house, so
What?
I need my key to my house.
This is the car keys. He doesn't
There's
have any
no
keys
key.
on
There's
him.
no car key on there. There's no house key here.
This is it. It's the car key.
Right. I have to get to my house, so I'm taking that
No,
to
you're
my
not.
house.
No,
How
you're
you
not.
gonna take that to
Well,
your
you
house?
better not tow my car
Your,
then.
your
It
car's
is
getting
getting
towed.
towed. All right. You have a good night. Well, if you were behaving like civil citizens,
I don't want
maybe
to
we
hear
would.
about civil citizens.
Okay then.
Just give me the information.
Okay, first off, ma'am, I am not your
I
servant,
want the
okay?
information. I don't want to
Your-
give shit. I don't
your
want
husband-
explanations. I
All
don't
right,
want
ma'am.
explanations. I just
It
want
sounds like you want an
information.
explanation.
They deserve each other's smug, arrogant, self-important thing. It was clear that logical thinking wasn't her strong suit, given how difficult it was to explain to her what's wrong about what she just did.
I'm an
answer.
adult.
I
Start
want
talking to me
results.
like an
Where
adult.
can I get my
Your
husband out of this?
Your husband is
Where?
going. Your husband, if he would let me talk, is going to the Seminole County
Yes.
Jail.
Okay, give me the information.
I'm
and
not
will
required
go.
to provide you with any
Seminole
paperwork.
County
Oh,
Jail.
so you are not
211
able to give
Esslinger
me
Way.
information of where my
Take him.
husband's going,
You're good.
or how I'm to get him out, right?
Your husband can give you. I'm not required to provide you with anything, ma'am.
You're not
Ma'am,
required.
ma'am, if you can,
any
ma'am,
information about
you
my
need to go home before
No,
you end up in cuffs.
You are not able to give me
All right, ma'am.
information
You
on
have a
my
good night.
husband? You're not able to give me information on
We
my
told you,
husband?
Seminole County Jail. Look it up. You have internet, correct?
Wow.
Do you need the address?
You guys are young and pretty stupid and ignorant.
Oh, thank you.
So why is my door open?
I'm gonna do an inventory of the car.
No, you're not going to inventory my car because there's
Leave.
nothing in there that you need to inventory.
Leave.
Do you have a warrant? Do you
Yeah.
have a warrant? Do you have a warrant to
I'm gonna
inventory
give
my
you.
car?
I'm gonna give you one
Do
more
you
chance to
have
go.
a warrant to inventory my car?
I'm gonna give
Do
you one
you
more
have
chance.
a warrant to inventory my car?
Ma'am, okay, hold on. Step aside.
Do you have a warrant
Step
to
aside.
inventory my car?
Move.
I want to know an answer.
All right.
Just like you like answers, I like answers too. Do you have a warrant to inventory my car?
All right. I'm gonna ask you one more time. If you don't move, you're gonna go to jail.
Do you?
Get up.
Get out.
Do you have a warrant? Get your hands off of me because I will post this on my. Get your hands off of me. Get your hands off of me.
All right, hold on.
Get your hands off of me. Get your fucking. Get your hands off of me. Yep.
Stop.
I will sue you, motherfucker.
Stop.
I will sue you after
Stop.
of this. I will call Morgan
Stop.
& Morgan, and I will sue you
Stop.
motherfuckers off of this.
Stop.
I will
Stop.
sue your asses. Let me tell you, I will
Stop.
sue your asses.
Stop
I will
resisting.
Sue your asses. I am not
You got yours?
resisting.
Stop.
And you are. You are.
Stop. Stop.
You better let me go. You better let me go.
Stop.
You better let me go.
You got yours? No.
You
Hold on.
better let me go.
Hold it.
You
You
better
got it?
let me go.
I got her arms.
You better let me go. You better let me go, damn it. Why can't I get answers? I mean, why? If you want answers on yours, why?
Stop.
Why? Why do you want answers on your stuff but you can't give me answers? Why? Why?
Congratulations on your arrest, man. Well deserved. Good luck with your frivolous lawsuit. Your last public defender will fail spectacularly in court.
Oh, great America. Great America. Yeah. Great America.
Stop resisting.
Yeah, great America here. Absolutely. You know, great. Great. Not only do we have the Satan in our country, we have great police officers. Oh, yeah.
Stop resisting.
Thank you. You know.
Hold her waist.
I have a life to make here in my
wrists.
I have to make a living, and you guys are destroying it.
Stop resisting.
No, when you're destroying my life to make a living, how can I stop resisting you? Tell me, how about if I arrest you and do that to you? Over nothing. Huh? Tell me. How would that feel, you bitch? Huh? Tell me. How would that feel for you? Huh? How would that feel for you? You can't answer me, can you? Of course not. Of course you can't answer me. What a laugh. She can fucking answer me because she knows I'm right. Because she knows I'm right. And I will put this on Facebook, on TikTok, and everywhere else I can. I will.
Sit her up.
One second.
No.
Don't sit me up. Just leave me like this.
Okay, fair enough.
Marina Lawing faced multiple charges, including 2 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, 2 counts of assault on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, possession of a controlled substance without a prescription, and possession of an open container in a motor vehicle. Her husband was also arrested and charged with DUI. Lesson learned. Trying to tell the officers how to do their job only made the situation worse. Have you ever encountered such Karens? Share your own experiences in the comments below the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to catch more interesting content. See ya!